Are you a critical thinker? Do you like solving complex problems? Would you like to work with your hands? The Department of Manufacturing Engineering may be for you. This department will help you to become proficient in manufacturing processes, competitiveness, system analysis, and manufacturing practices by applying principles of engineering, science, and mathematics. As a student, you will work individually and in a group setting to learn new skills, as well as design, produce, and implement ideas in the field of manufacturing and industrial technology. The ABET accredited manufacturing engineering program includes a curriculum that combines math, science, and humanities, along with engineering requirements that include an emphasis in design function and computer applications. Central State University offers a strong network with corporations and government research agencies for internship opportunities. Students will also have the opportunity to participate in research programs, access state-of-the-art laboratory resources, experience guest lectures and field trips, as well as take part in student chapters of several engineering societies. This Bachelor of Science degree in Manufacturing Engineering will launch your career with companies such as Intel, Boeing, Caterpillar, Goodyear, Procter & Gamble, and Duracell, to name a few. Or it may also lead you to continue your education at the graduate level. The Industrial Technology program at Central State University includes a curriculum that focuses on technical mathematics, metals, machining, computer-aided machining, and computer-aided drafting, electrical, and statistical analysis. Depending on your career goals, you can choose one of the following disciplines: computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing, construction technology, electronics technology, or business management. As an industrial technology major, you will have the option of participating in the corporate education program that offers real-world experience while acquiring credit hours. Students in the program taking CAD/CAM, construction, or electronics will complete a technical problem task as an individual or with a group during their senior year. Graduates of industrial technology work in a diverse field as production supervisors, technicians, technical sales representatives, engineering assistants, drafting operators, construction supervisors, or inventory managers. Scholarships are available to students, including the David Scott Scholarship and Creating Excellence in Agriculture Workforce Scholarship. All of this, and CSU offers small class sizes. Plus, the highly trained faculty has extensive research experience that they are ready to share with you in the Department of Manufacturing Engineering.
Central State University.